Hello designers, welcome to OnlineBauji. In this video, I will explain all the important facts of designing. Before we step into the world of graphic designing, it's important to understand what is graphic designing. So let's get started. What is graphic designing? Graphic designing is the art of planning and creating visual content to communicate ideas and messages. Graphic designing is also known as communication design, and graphic designers are commonly known as visual communicators. Graphic design is everywhere, you see, from billboards to chocolate boxes to mobile apps. By blending different elements and concepts, these designs can influence our perceptions and emotions. There are various elements and principles of graphic designing which are very important. Let me tell you few of them. So few of the elements are line, color, shape, space, texture, typographic, and last but not the least, scale.